the first time in Barak Valley, the exhibition of the Indian Air Force's Special Helicopter Team Sarang was held. This exhibition took place on Saturday at the Air Force campus near Silchar Airport. Students from various schools in Barak Valley got the opportunity to enjoy this captivating sight. Members of the Sarang team informed that they had also presented a similar exhibition in Guwahati on November 9 on the occasion of the Indian Air Force Day. This was presented for the first time in Barak Valley. And the exhibition showcased various scenes reflecting the valor of the Indian Air Force, the unity of the country and love for the countrymen. With the help of 5 special helicopters, they created an extremely enchanting atmosphere. At the end of the exhibition, the students spent time talking with the pilots and gained considerable inspiration from them.
Okay, I'm Squadron Leader Nishan Kavasti. I'm part of the Sarang Helicopter Display Team of Indian Air Force. And with me is...
I'm Flight Lieutenant Pallavi Sangwan. I'm the commentator of the Sarang Helicopter Display Team.
I am Squadron Leader Gokul. I'm also part of the Sarang Display Team.
So it was our pleasure to perform here in the Kumbhgram skies, and the kind of response we have got from the school kids and from the NCC cadets they came, and from the people who came all the way from Silchar. And definitely we are very thankful to the station administration who arranged everything so well. And all efforts we have made to come here. We have come from Tamil Nadu. Our team is based in Tamil Nadu, so coming all the way from there to this part of the northeast, I think we have achieved our aim. I hope so that through our display we have inspired the people here to join the Indian Armed Forces. Yeah, this team is the only 5 military helicopter display team. There might be other private helicopter display teams, but talking about the military helicopter display team, so this is the only one. You might see number of fixed wing aircraft display teams, but in terms of helicopters there are not many, and in military definitely this is the only team in the entire world, because as you can see and imagine how difficult it is to fly even the helicopter. It is even to hold. It is very difficult to hover at some point. It is very difficult for a helicopter, but doing such kind of aerobatics, I hats off to these pilots. They do such a wonderful job with such kind of precision.
Right.
Yes, this is another speciality of our aircraft. These are the HAL made, indigenously made aircraft. So that's how we represent as a team the prowess of the Indian Air Force, and at the same time the Atmanirbharta of our nation. So our every maneuver, each and every maneuver has its own significance. So like in the initial, when after Arrowhead we make wine glass, so it is we raise the toast to the happiness to the occasion. And then when in some, for example, India, so that shows the Atmanirbharta of our nation. For example, the heart maneuver, that heart we make, it is we show, that is our way of showing love to the people which they have given to us. And then way of reciprocation from our side. And then the Sarang split maneuver. For example, it's all the examples I'm saying. For the Sarang split, in that we present a salute to the nation, the kind of this thing we are proud of on our nation. So that is our dedication, our tribute to the nation. That's it. I don't think now it is a gender specific environment. It is more of the capability based this thing. Skill, if you have skills, if you have the talent, you can reach anywhere. For the girls, I have only one thing to say, that please dare to dream and dream big, and make all the efforts to achieve those dreams. Do not shy away from the hard work. Don't think that it will not be achievable. Everything is possible in this world, but yes, your dedication, your perseverance is required to go that far and to achieve what you have dreamt of.